Habaikan bikin patai kubor ba DP Wahlang loong bagaladon kapor bagi HNLC kala terang bahaban betang ya kejing ïakren naik ladon kimat ki bakalan ya kabaken cemla pois uput banis untuk jingmut. Uloong bag Sorkar kala kerpat ke HNLC manungan pai biang bandon ya kejing ïakren ke biang hadian bekelayo kejing syai bekenongren naga benta banis untuk jingmut. Uloong hadian bagi HNLC kala penlong yalah kejong kejing yalang. Naduk kate kapor hi kam cemlawan pai ban betang biang ya kejing ïakren ïasuk bag Sorkar. Ubak DP Wahlang uloong bagi Sorkar kadang up bagi Jingkhang Dang Plie bagi ni kalong ke bakong santam. Ulapan pau bagi Sorkar ka kloy bani keren henry kidan pat katu kan kimat ki bamla panepen kamtam gitu kimat ki berkentuk lang ya katenat korbari jong Sorkar pereng. Chief Secretary uloong ru ba kasnam arajar arpusau ka kasnam ke badan ya kejing syongsok akaba jumladon kimat ki bahe bat baro kilong ki bala bantek lakam bagi jing scam jong Sorkar ka pliala ru ki kampenroy bagi niat bed. Uloong bagajing don ni ke syongsok syongsan kala ajing mentoy ki kampenroy jong Sorkar bad ginong syong shnong kejela. Bar ulapan pau gajing kermen bah kene kesnam arajar arpusan gajing syongsok syongsngan kene beteng. Kenang ban kieu ka bah ka miat ki pat ba bat ki kampenroy ha kejela.
It was relatively a very peaceful year. We didn't have any major issue and everything was under control, and we hope that it will carry on to 2025 because with good law and order situation, then a lot of activities can also happen. The developmental agenda of the government also can drive forward, and we'll see then eventually the citizens only will benefit from all this. I'm fully aware of that. HNLC at one point of time were very keen to continue with the discussions, but unfortunately there were some points which were tricky points as far as they were concerned, as far as we are concerned, and we couldn't meet at a point of convergence as far as those issues are concerned. So therefore we requested them that they can go back to the place where they came from, have a proper discussion first, and when there is complete clarity and when we arrive at a point of convergence, then we can resume the talks. So they went back, they have had meetings among themselves, but they have not come back to us to resume the talks. So we are waiting. Our doors are open. That is the most important thing.
Chief Secretary ke jela ula pentip bagi Sorkar jela kala lik kerpat ke Sorkar pedeng ban ai ya ke jaka jung sipai ke badan hajan ka yo maulong na ke benta ban pen kendria ke besong basa atam motor. Ula penti kenaru bagi Sorkar jela kala sim kya bahai ke nikamat bat ha un opera menteri rang ba ke jela rangkat badu Commissioner Secretary ke tenat penroi sor kala lik kendu ki he jong ke tenat defense hadali ban but dian halor ke nikakam. Uloong bakarai mentakan syong ha ke tenat defense. Chief Secretary ke jela ula pentip bro baka jing ïakren bat baro ke badan bentalang ha ke kam ke belalong hau nai wieng kala long ke basa iso ka bau ula penpa baka jing kemilenti ban lak ban penurlong ya ke jing temu ban penkenria. Uloong ba ke badan bentalang ke menjur ke jing terwa bat ke jing temu ban penkenria la penti kena baka guru dwara bagi jaka mane belai ke badan hakane ke jaka kin om syakta. Haka bedai bagajeng terwa ke jaka ba DP Wahlang uloong bayar mentah ke Sorkar kala terwa ar akar ke jaka nre kene kejeng dan kam la ban penduna no mentah syakashi akar.
On the Haran colony issue is that we have approached the central government to allot us land in the vicinity of Wahlang Hut only, which belongs to the army. And we have communicated with the Defense Ministry. We hope that we'll get a positive response on that. The area that we have requested is quite small, and it's viable as far as we are concerned. So once we get a response from the Defense Ministry, we'll take it forward. Both the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Commissioner Secretary of Urban, they had gone to the ministry for this very purpose. Prior to the Christmas holidays, and we are hoping that we'll get a response soon. The ball is in the court of the Defense Ministry. They must be discussing with the officers in the ministry as well as those are located here in Shillong.
Haga bedai baga jenglong jengman jeng skol ba nehu. Ke Sorkar jela kan sepet ngor ba bat kan pikir kadang bagan non gejingat bed jong ke puli putih haga ni ke skol ba. Halo gejingat ki baga jeng dawa ke samla puli ke skol ba nehu Uba DP Wahlang uloong baka kenun toket ke belatung ke Sorkar Pedang keladap IT ke kaipot bak kata nak pulih putih ke Sorkar Pedang keempat pak kanu ke jengtep alor kerai ke bakil Hashim. Uloong bak Sorkar jela kamla banle ne Shimrai alor ke jenglong jengman ke skol ba nehu namar bekahap hapo ke jengpet jeng ke Sorkar Pedang. Uloong bak Sorkar jela ke pikir bat pengor bakan amdan ke jengtut ke syong suk syong san ha ke skol ba kanang bakan am kata ke pulih putih jong kisamla.
Has already visited the state and they have had meetings all over the state, Shillong, Jowai, as well as in Garo Hills. And they had a meeting just about 1 week back, last week in Delhi also, where all the members were present to basically discuss and deliberate on the findings during the tour where they made across Meghalaya. So I think so they are in the process of writing the report now. How long they'll take to complete the report, I am not privy to that information right now.
So the meetings are all over and?
Yes, the meetings are over. They have met all the stakeholders, the political parties, the students leaders, the NGOs, members of the public, across the state in fact, in Jowai, Shillong as well as in Tura. From the law and order point of view, our duty is to ensure that the law and order is conducive and there is no breakdown of the law and order. But as far as the affairs of the university is concerned, it's a central university. We have to be very cautious. It's not a state university. We cannot take any decision on behalf of NEHU. I'm in touch with the Additional Secretary, Government of India, as well as the Secretary. In fact, I'll be meeting the Secretary on Monday, the 13th of January to give him a brief of what has happened because he just joined as the Secretary of Higher Education. I'll be meeting him and also advising him what needs to be done for NEHU. And I hope that we should see a breakthrough soon.
Chief Secretary ke Jela ula pentip bagi expert committee halor ke reservation policy kala pendap ke jing selok ka keleng jong ke Jela Meghalaya. Uba DP Wahlang ula penti kena bagi dia komiti kala lek cekeleng ke jaka jong ke Jela ke bakentup ke nong bak Shillong, Jowai, bat ki wei ki than ka rilom Garo. Bat kala yok ru ban lum yang ki babon ke jing ai jeng mut nagi babon balang. Ula ong bak komiti kala don bat ki babon ki balang ki ban ki liang boper ban penti kena ba man la ki mat dei ban priang bat kani ka de benta ka ba kongsan bha ka ba pni ya ka jing scam jing mot jing Sorkar ban kentup lang ya baro bat ban om sha liang ha ka jing thau ya ki mat rekam uba DP Wahlang chamla batai hadu kat no la ai por ka expert committee ban pendap ka kai pot nreu la penti kena pat ba ka committee kan plet jing mot ha ga ban penmi ka jing lap ka belong ka ba bat ka badan jing mot.
In view of the Bangladesh situation is ongoing, how do you look at the law and order in the border areas?
No, the border areas, we have not had any problems in the last, in fact, couple of months, 2-3 months. We have not received any adverse reports at all from the border. And we are hoping that it will continue. The BSF is keeping a very strong vigil along the border, along with the help of the local Meghalaya police. And we are keeping a tab on what is going on. We receive intelligence reports once in a while about what is happening across the border, anything which is likely to impact the state, and information is shared with the BSF.
Are there reports about illegal immigration genuine?
No, we don't have any reports of any illegal immigration at all from Bangladesh.